There was once a man who held a burning coal in his hand, refusing to let go. He screamed in pain, yet he clutched it tighter. My friends, this is how we often live, grasping onto things that hurt us, unwilling to release them. But what if I told you that true happiness lies not in holding on, but in letting go? Detachment is not about rejecting life. It is about embracing it without chains. The tighter we hold on to things, people, possessions, status, the more they control us. And when they change, as all things do, we suffer. But when we learn to hold them with an open hand, we find peace. Imagine your mind as this cup. If it is too full of worries, fears, and attachments, there is no room for peace. Letting go is like emptying the cup, allowing space for clarity, wisdom, and joy. How often do we cling to distractions, to the illusion of validation? We attach our happiness to a like on a screen, to a promotion at work, to a person's approval. But have you noticed? The more we chase happiness outside, the more it escapes us. True joy arises when we detach from the need for constant validation and turn inward. So, how do we practice detachment? It starts with awareness. Ask yourself, is this attachment serving me, or is it holding me captive? Then, practice acceptance. Accept that all things are impermanent. Everything you own, everyone you love, even your own body, will one day change. And that's okay. Because love, peace, and happiness do not come from grasping, but from appreciating and letting go. When you release the weight of unnecessary attachments, you do not lose, you gain. You gain freedom. You gain peace. You gain a life filled with presence and meaning. And isn't that what we all seek? So, my dear friends, tell me, what are you holding on to that is holding you back? Perhaps, today is the day you finally let go. What if true happiness isn't about gaining more, but about letting go? In this eye-opening video, discover the ancient wisdom of detachment and how it leads to inner peace, freedom, and a more fulfilling life. We often hold on to things that no longer serve us, possessions, expectations, grudges, and fears. But by releasing them, we create space for joy, clarity, and true contentment. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and reflection. If this message resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more life-changing wisdom.